So hi everyone. Today is weather is running. Okay, and now I am go to at home, and my neighbor uncle is stay here, and then he said go quickly because outside is very cold. Okay, and then I'm going quickly at home. There is darkness because of there is not putting lights. Okay, and then I am coming
Hello
at home.
guys, welcome to my channel, and I know all are fine. Okay, so first of all, today is weather is very different. Okay, because I know today is weather running. Okay, and then everyone weather is change. Okay, so now I think after raining also. Okay, so now in a raining weather, something is feeling a hot eating something. Okay, so that's why I making my mother is making a liti, and then I'm going to fry liti. Okay, then eat also. So I'm also showing how can fry, and then we are will eating. Okay, so first of all I am here, and I'm going in kitchen. Okay, I'm showing it is oil. Okay, and then tea, and there is my luti. Okay, see how was the look, everyone. And after frying I eat. Okay, and it is very tasty. Please give me comment below you who want to eat sattu. Okay, and then I don't know what is meaning sattu. Okay, so who is know what is English meaning is sattu, so please give me my feedback and meaning also in the comment, everyone. So it is now you saw this look is very good and very shiny. Okay, see, and everyone, you also eat. Okay, so now I am here, and now I'm eating this. Okay, everyone. Mm. what is what is this I don't. It is very good, very good, very good with. So thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. After I'm eating enjoyfully. Okay, and you also enjoy in this weather. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Please subscribe me.